All right, this is the solution for free response question 8, part A. So the question says, for t between 0 and 24 hours, the temperature inside a refrigerator in a kitchen is given by the function w that satisfies the differential equation dw dt equals 3 cosine t over 2w. W of t is measured in degrees Celsius and t is measured in hours. At time t equals 0 hours, the temperature inside the refrigerator is 3 degrees Celsius. A says write an equation for the line tangent to the graph of y equals w of t at the point where t equals 0. Use the equation to approximate the temperature inside the refrigerator at t equals 0.4 hours. All right, so first of all, if I'm going to write the equation of a tangent line, what do I need? I need a point and a slope. All right, so we need a point and a slope. All right, so remember, we're writing the equation tangent to the graph of y equals w of t. All right, and so the point is going to be t comma w of t, right? And then the slope is going to be what? Well, it's going to be dw dt evaluated at that particular point, t comma w of t. All right. And so we are told that we want the at the point where t equals 0. So we want the point at 0 comma w of 0. Now you were told, remember that w is the temperature. And so you were specifically told that at t equals 0, the temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. So our point is 0 comma 3, right? And so then we want to evaluate dw dt at the point 0 comma 3, right? Remember, that's where t is 0, w is 3. And so we evaluate 3 times the cosine of 0 divided by 2 times w, which is 3, of course. All right, and so cosine of 0 is 1, so 3 over 2 times 3, 6, so 1/2. So we get a slope of 1/2. So we use our point slope form, so we could say y minus 3 equals half of x minus 0, right? Um, in this case, you could write x or t or whatever, but you're going to say, okay, then y equals 1/2 of x plus 3, right? All right, so that would be the equation of the tangent line. Then it says, use the equation to approximate the temperature inside the refrigerator at t equals 0.4 hours. And so you're saying, okay, well, then y equals half of 0.4 plus 3. Right now, of course, you could leave that alone because that's a numeric value. All right, but if you did that, or if you did go further, obviously half of zero point 0.4 is zero point 0.2 plus 3 is 3.2, and the units there would be degrees Celsius. Now, it didn't say to specify that, but it is important to know that. All right, so that is part A.